Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Splitgate not log in to Steam. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are running Steam in a administrator mode. So in my case, I am already doing that, but if you're not doing it, come below at the search bar and simply type in Steam. You will see run as administrator and you're going to have to confirm your action and run it in a administrator mode. Now as you do that, go into your game library and make sure that you have your Splitgate right here. For example, if this is your Splitgate, what you have to do is, you will see properties, go on to properties. Under general, make sure this toggled on button that says enable the Steam overlay while in game. Now next, under launch option, whatever you have, delete that and type in -dx12. Now once you do so, see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then quit out of Steam. So go ahead and close the Steam and select this drop down icon right here. If you see Steam here, right click onto it and then select exit Steam. You're gonna have to restart your device. Come below at the search bar again, type in Steam and select run as administrator, and likewise try again and it will fix the problem. If it's still not working, then you're gonna have to restart your network or simply reset your network. So for that, come below at the search bar again, then type in network reset. You will see it under system settings, open it. Select reset now, confirm your action, and then if it does not restart your device yourself, try again and it will definitely fix the problem.